Let's first understand what qualifies as a business opportunity. A business opportunity is a need of the buyer that the company has high chance of profitably satisfying. For example, if there is an opportunity of making money from buying an IPL team, but if we do not have funds in the likes of Shah Rukh Khan or Mukesh Ambani, then this won't qualify as a business opportunity for us. That being said, we'll first discuss where to spot a business opportunity which are in our capabilities, and then later we'll discuss how companies can make profit from it. So let's get into it. There are three main sources. The first and simplest one is to offer something that is in short supply. This means there is a huge demand of that product, but there are very few suppliers. Hence, people will buy that product from us irrespective of the quality. For example, there are very few suppliers of radioactive material uranium in the world, and we are able to dig that out from our backyard. Then there is no one who can stop us from being a billionaire. But jokes apart, there is very little chance of finding such opportunity. What is most likely to happen is that there are products which already has many suppliers. So second source is to supply existing product or service in a new or a superior way than our competitors. But how? The easiest way is to directly ask the consumer for their suggestion or ask the ideal version of that product or service that they use. This would tell us the hidden problem that no other suppliers saw coming. Like booking tickets for concert was very time consuming for people, where they would go to the ticket counters and stand in the queue sometimes even for hours. That's where Book My Show and SeatGeek found an opportunity. Then there is more professional way of finding an opportunity to deliver superior quality product. Here, we'll look at the consumption chain of consumers and ask them to chart their steps in acquiring, using and disposing of product. This would give us a detailed blueprint of where to find an opportunity. For example, there are many companies which started paying a certain amount to their consumers for giving back the used bottles of their soft drinks, where these bottles were recycled and used again, hence saving huge costs for companies. The last method to spot an opportunity is to offer totally new product or service to consumers. Like Tesla, which introduced new segment of electric cars that were as good as gasoline or IC engine cars in terms of looks, speed, etc. Now that we know where to spot an opportunity, how do we make profit from it? A company may benefit from converging industry trends and introduce hybrid product or services new to the market. For example, smartwatch, that is a crossover between a watch and smartphone. It not only helps us to quickly reply to the messages, but also track our fitness, quality of our sleep, and now oxygen level in our blood. Another example is tablet, which is a crossover of phone and laptop. It has all the capabilities of smartphone with bigger screen, which allows users to read books, watch movies, work, and is cheaper than laptop. Next is, a company may make a buying process more convenient or efficient. Introduction of UPI in India and startups like Paytm allowed consumers to pay digitally without the need to use their credit cards. Even Ola and Uber made booking cabs easier, where we would book cabs from our home. A company may meet the need for more information and advice, just like Policy Bazaar, which lets you compare all the insurance policies at the same time. Next is, a company can customize a product or service. Timberland allows consumer to choose colors for different parts of their boots, add initials or numbers and select different stitching and embroidery. Alma Mater is a website that allows customers to customize their t-shirt, jerseys for school sports and cultural events. A company can also introduce a new capability. Paytm, WeChat are trying to become super apps where you can do everything from booking bus tickets, movies to payment transfer, a digital wallet, investment, purchasing gold, etc. A company may be able to deliver product or service faster. FedEx discovered a way to deliver mail and packages much more quickly than US Postal Service. A company may be able to offer a product at much lower price. So this is how we can make a profit from a business opportunity. Thank you.